So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the page navigation option in Power BI. So let us see how to work on page navigation option in Power BI. For navigating between the pages, we use Power BI page navigation option. So for this, we have to create 4 pages. First one is index page. Second one is P1. Third one is P2. And fourth one is P3. So here we learn how to navigate from one page to another page, like index to P1, P1 to P2, like P2 to P3, how to navigate between the pages. So first of all, in the index page, let us name it as using text box. Let us name it as index. So here. Index. Page. So let me give some effects like background. Okay. So this is the index page. In the index page, we have to take 3 pages. So let me take 3 buttons here. Go to insert menu. Click on blank buttons. So buttons will be displayed here. And take another button. Again blank. Take another button. Blank. So let me name these 3 buttons with P1, P2 and P3. So once you select on this, go to general and add text here. Here, click on text on and name it as P1. Okay. So let me increase the size so that it is very visible. Okay. Keep it as bold. And likewise, name this button as P2, text on, P2, bold, and increase the size. And this button as P3. Okay. So let me increase the size and make it as bold. So we have created 3 buttons and this is the text box. We are in the page 1, like the index page. Okay. Now when I click on P1, it should be navigated to the P1 page. So let me go to P1 page and create one text box with like a P1 page here. Just name this page as P1. Add the matter, like keep it in bold and increase the size. page 1. P1. Okay. Likewise, do the same thing for let me give the background color for this, like how I have given for the index page. Okay. Now go to the P2 page, and here also create one text box that is named with page P2. Page P2. Bold, increase the size, can be like page P2, and give the background color. Okay. Now the same thing we have to do for the page P3. Go to text box and insert page P3 in this, like how we have done for the page 1 and page 2. Give some background color. Go to effects and give the background color. Now it is ready. Now here observe properly. We are in the index page. We are having 3 buttons, P1, P2, P3. When I click on P1, it should be navigated to P1 page. And when I click on P2, it should be navigated to P2 page. And when I click on P3, it should be navigated to P3 page. Okay. Now click on the P1 button. And here click on action. Action on. Select the type as page navigation because we are navigating between the pages. So the destination of P1 should be the page P1. So destination you have to select P1. Okay. Now when I click on control click P1, control click plus P1, it went to the P1 page. Okay. So in this way we have to repeat for the next 2 pages. Click on page 2 and again action on. Type should be page navigation. And next, the destination of page 2 is P2 is P2 page. Now, when I click on control click of P2, it will be navigated to page 2. Okay. The same thing we will be repeating for the P3 button. Go to click on P3 button. Now click on action on. Type page navigation. And the destination of P3 button is P3 page. Okay. Now control plus click on P3. It will be navigated to page 3. Okay. We have learned how to navigate from one page to another page. But when I click on control P1, here again we have to come to the index page without clicking on the index page. Like we have to come back to the index page. So now we have to create one button named as back button. Okay. So back button is created. So when I click on control click of back button, it will be going to the index page. The same thing we have to do for the P2 and P3. Go to button, click the back button. Insert the back button for the page 2. Okay. Not the single click, you have to click on control plus click. It will be navigated to the index page. Okay. Like P3. Here you have to give the back button. Place here. Control plus click. It should be navigated to the index page. So in this way, we can navigate from P1, P2, P3 pages, like from index page to P1 while clicking on the button P1. It will be navigated to P1 page, and while clicking the control plus click back button, it will be going to the index page. And the same thing when we click on P2, it will be navigated to P2 page, and again control click on back button, it is going to the index page. Like control click on P3, it will be navigated to P3 page, and when I click on control click on back, it will be navigated to the index page. In this way, we can do the page navigation in Power BI.